In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence (AI) stands as a game-changing force with the potential to revolutionize industries and create wealth. As we delve into the year 2023, the opportunities to amass wealth through AI have never been more promising. From startups and investments to innovative applications across various sectors, there are multiple pathways to capitalize on AI's transformative power and achieve financial success. In today's video, we will be showing you ways to get rich with AI in 2023. Without further ado, let's begin. AI-powered startups. Starting an AI-powered startup is a promising way to generate wealth in 2023. Identify an industry or niche that can benefit from AI technologies, such as healthcare, finance, or e-commerce. Develop innovative AI solutions, whether it's a predictive analytics platform, chatbot service, or personalized recommendation system. Secure funding from investors who recognize the transformative power of AI, and scale your startup to disrupt the market and generate substantial returns. AI-driven investments. Investing in AI-focused companies and technologies can be a lucrative avenue in 2023. Research promising AI startups and established companies that are leveraging AI in their operations. Diversify your investment portfolio by including AI-focused exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds that invest in AI-related companies. Stay updated on AI advancements, industry trends, and regulatory changes to make informed investment decisions and capitalize on the growth of AI-driven industries. AI-based trading. AI has revolutionized the financial markets, enabling algorithmic trading systems that can analyze vast amounts of data and execute trades with precision and speed. Engage in AI-based trading by developing your own trading algorithms or utilizing AI-powered trading platforms. Leverage machine learning and predictive analytics to identify patterns, make data-driven investment decisions, and execute trades automatically. However, note that trading carries inherent risks, and it's crucial to have a solid understanding of the market dynamics and risk management strategies. AI consulting and services. Offering AI consulting and services can be a profitable venture in 2023. Develop expertise in AI technologies, such as machine learning, natural language processing, or computer vision. Provide AI consulting services to businesses looking to implement AI solutions, optimize processes, or leverage data for actionable insights. Offer AI training programs or workshops to upskill individuals and organizations in AI technologies. As the demand for AI expertise grows, positioning yourself as a trusted AI consultant can lead to substantial financial gains. AI-driven product development. Leverage AI technologies to develop innovative products or enhance existing offerings. Identify market gaps or pain points that can be addressed through AI-driven solutions. Whether it's developing a smart home device, a personalized virtual assistant, or an AI-powered customer service platform, focus on creating products that provide value and enhance the user experience. Implement effective marketing strategies to promote your AI-driven products and capture the market's attention, leading to increased revenue and potential wealth accumulation. AI-enabled e-commerce. The e-commerce industry continues to flourish, and AI can play a vital role in driving growth and profitability. Utilize AI algorithms to personalize the shopping experience, offer targeted recommendations, and optimize pricing strategies. Leverage AI-powered chatbots to enhance customer support and improve engagement. Employ AI-driven marketing techniques, such as predictive analytics and sentiment analysis, to tailor marketing campaigns and boost conversions. By leveraging AI in e-commerce, you can tap into a vast market and generate substantial wealth. AI-driven research and development. Invest in AI-driven research and development (R&D) initiatives to unlock groundbreaking innovations and commercialize cutting-edge technologies. Collaborate with universities, research institutions, and AI experts to explore emerging AI fields like robotics, autonomous vehicles, or healthcare diagnostics. Secure patents for your AI inventions and explore partnerships or licensing opportunities with established companies. Successful AI-driven R&D efforts can lead to significant financial rewards and establish you as a thought leader in the AI space. AI-powered healthcare. The healthcare industry presents significant opportunities for wealth generation through AI. Develop AI solutions that improve patient outcomes, optimize healthcare operations, and enhance diagnostics and treatment planning. Explore applications such as AI-driven drug discovery, telemedicine platforms, personalized medicine, and AI-powered medical imaging analysis. Collaborate with healthcare providers, pharmaceutical companies, and research institutions to commercialize AI-driven healthcare solutions that can revolutionize the industry and generate substantial financial returns. AI in cybersecurity. With the growing threat of cyber attacks, there is an increasing demand for AI-powered cybersecurity solutions. Develop AI algorithms that can detect and prevent cyber threats in real time, analyze network traffic patterns, and identify potential vulnerabilities. Build AI-driven security platforms that offer proactive threat intelligence, automated incident response, and predictive analytics. Position yourself as a leader in AI-driven cybersecurity and provide robust solutions to organizations seeking to safeguard their digital assets. AI for personalized learning. Education is an industry ripe for disruption through AI. Develop AI-powered platforms that provide personalized learning experiences, adaptive tutoring, and intelligent content recommendations. Utilize machine learning algorithms to analyze student data, identify learning gaps, and provide tailored educational content. AI in supply chain and logistics. Supply chain and logistics operations can benefit greatly from AI technologies. Develop AI-driven solutions that optimize inventory management, demand forecasting, route optimization, and supply chain analytics. Leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that can enhance operational efficiency and reduce costs. Collaborate with logistics companies, retailers, and manufacturers to implement AI-powered supply chain solutions that streamline operations and increase profitability. AI for sustainable energy. Addressing the global challenge of sustainable energy requires innovative AI-driven solutions. Develop AI algorithms that optimize energy consumption, enable predictive maintenance for renewable energy systems, and enhance grid management. Explore applications like energy forecasting, smart grid optimization, and AI-driven energy storage solutions. Collaborate with energy companies, utilities, and renewable energy providers to integrate your AI solutions and drive the transition to a sustainable energy future. The year 2023 presents immense opportunities for individuals and businesses to amass wealth through AI. Whether it's through launching AI-powered startups, investing in AI-focused companies, engaging in AI-based trading, providing AI consulting services, developing AI-driven products, leveraging AI in e-commerce, or investing in AI-driven R&D, the potential to generate substantial wealth is within reach. By capitalizing on the transformative power of AI, embracing innovation, and staying ahead of the curve, individuals and businesses can position themselves for financial success in the dynamic AI landscape of 2023. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.